hope you're well and welcome back, and hello if you are new. My name is Ellis and today I am sharing my very first sit down video of 2024. And what other sort of video could I possibly want to bring to you other than one of my most watched videos of 2023, a Temu haul. I am so excited to be sharing today's video with you. You guys absolutely love these videos and there are so many bargains to be had on Temu. So if you don't know who Temu are, they are an affordable worldwide online retailer that sells everything from things in your garden to your home to your mindset to planning and organisation to babies, pets, all sorts. You name it, there is probably not an area that Temu do not cover. I know even my father-in-law picked up this really weird multi-tool spannery type thing from Temu just before Christmas and he's obsessed with it to the point Adam now wants one too. So if you're in need of something and you're looking to shop affordably and not blow your budget, then I would definitely recommend checking out Temu. They have regular site-wide sales, affordable prices, free shipping and free returns within 90 days, so you're kind of covered. But today I have picked up so many amazing pieces for my home, beauty. I've also got some positive mindset stuff, some organisational pieces, some decor. I mean, I have covered a lot in this video. So if you want to see exactly what I picked up, then just continue to watch. And before we jump into the video, I also wanted to share that just for my subscribers, Temu have given me an exclusive discount code for you to get a further discount off of everything that they've already got discounted down on their website whilst using the app. So I will leave the discount code on the screen. Head down into the description box as well and you can find the direct link to download the app and get your discount code so you can make even further savings on everything you want to pick up. Okay, so where do we start? I have so many amazing pieces, but I think I'm going to start with this one. I am huge on manifesting the law of attraction, gratitude, positivity, and all things like that. I actually even bought my eldest son, Clayton, a manifesting book for kids at Christmas, which he is obsessed with already. And I really think it's important to share gratitude. Now, I actually have one like this already. It's called the 5-minute notebook or something like that. And this one is basically exactly the same, but it's actually called the gratitude journal instead. It's in this gorgeous cream color, which I love. My gray one that I have already is like all stained, and I just thought it was amazing to have a brand new fresh one for 2024. It comes with pages like this, and essentially it says, I am grateful for what would make today great, daily affirmations, 3 amazing things that happened today, and how could I have made today better. So you can basically do things morning and night, and you fill it in each day. And obviously being grateful can obviously help expand your mindset. It can obviously help with attracting what you want as well, and practicing gratitude is something that I teach my kids to do on a daily basis. So you could even look to get your children one of these as well. So this was really affordable and I really like this, and I will leave everything that I've picked up in the description box below so you can go and find it for yourself along with all the prices as well. Next up, I picked up a beauty item, and oh my god, this item is amazing. So it's an LED rechargeable travel vanity mirror, and I'm obsessed. I've wanted one of these for such a long time. Now, essentially it comes with LED lamps inside and it's great for traveling, and it charges just with a USB charger. So I picked mine up in white. Honestly, it's stunning. It's still got all the plastic on it. I'm gonna peel that off now. But you can bend it over just like this. Here we go, mirror, you're gonna see all my lights. And then turn it on and look at that. It's got 3 different light settings. I mean, it's just amazing. I can't even tell you how bright it is. And like, can you see the glow on my face? It is so good. And obviously it stands up by itself. And then when you're done, you simply turn it off, fold it away, and it's as flat as anything. It's perfect for traveling, and it literally charges just on the back there. So I picked that up. I've wanted one for ages, and I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't expecting it to be as good as that, but it's good. So moving on, I picked up something that I needed for the home. I needed a new laundry basket. I picked up one recently, but my kids have broken it. Like, I'm sure my kids are so incapable of actually putting washing away correctly. I don't understand how hard it was to do that, but they've broken it. So this one is absolutely huge. It obviously goes right out to the side. Let me see if I can open it right up. It's a neutral basket, and I thought, you know what? I'm just gonna have this one instead of the other one. One basket would do better. I might actually pick up another one just because we do have quite a lot of washing. But yeah, a nice size basket, again, really affordable, great quality. This one is really, really thick and is lined really nicely as well. So a laundry basket. Okay, so next up we've got some beauty items. So first up, I use these sorts of clips all the time. So I picked these up, really affordable, and in like kind of all the colours that I wear. I'm very much a black and neutrals kind of girl, so pick those up. And then I've been wanting to try these kind of clips for ages now, but it's these flat ones. I don't know whether you've seen them going round, but I got a pack of 4. I think they're super pretty. They're in like all these gorgeous shades, like so. And basically I've seen people just like pop them in when they're doing their makeup. And I think the point is they're not meant to, obviously I'm gonna look like a bit of a twat now, but they're not meant to ruin your hair whilst you're doing your makeup. So I think this is gonna be great for like keeping my hair out my face whilst I'm trying to do that, or clipping back a bit of hair, or I don't know, you could probably find a better way to use them as well. Like you could probably use them for decorative purposes, but that's the reason why I picked them up. So then next up, I am a bit of a hanger snob, should we say? And I've always believed in good hangers really, really help your wardrobe. They're space saving and they also help you kind of keep everything a little bit more streamlined. So I always go for these types of hangers in my wardrobe. I hate anything else and I chuck all other hangers, but we were seriously running low because I've not done a new hanger order in years where we've had so many. So it's these ones. I absolutely love these. These came in a box of 20. However, they also did a 30 pack, a 50 pack. They also do so many other colours as well. But I've got loads of these and now I can make sure that everything is hung up, get rid of some of those older ones that have been kind of creeping their way in, where a lot of these have broken over the years where we've moved, and obviously kids, and they've gotten stuck in wardrobes. But yeah, very basic, but really, really affordable on Temu. Now next up, something really, really random for the home, but something that we really needed. An antenna, digital antenna for a HD TV. I don't know, you probably have to ask my husband a little bit more about this, but basically it's an aerial, I think. We needed an aerial so we could get, because we've recently gotten rid of like all of our Sky and things like that. We're on a real kind of money saving mission this year and we're cutting out things that we don't use, and Sky was one of those things. It was there for the convenience, I think, of being able to kind of watch back channels, but we've got the ITV players and things like that, so it seems silly. But we did like the idea of being able to watch a little bit of live TV, so we picked up one of those and we're hoping that we can get that all set up. Now, it wouldn't be a new year if we didn't have a new water bottle. I am obsessed with water bottles. I absolutely love them. And I love this one. It was like a flip top, like that, with a rubbery type straw, flips back down. Absolutely love it. It's also got, if you like using these sorts of things, like a carry handle as well. And I absolutely loved the colour of this one. The blues and the pinks I thought were really, really pretty. So I'm really excited to get using that. And again, I don't know about you guys, but I love water bottles that have a tracker on them. So these, we've got your trackers there in terms of your amount, or they've got your timing trackers. So how long it's going to take you and then refilling it back up. And these are 750 mils if you were interested. And they did these in lots of different colours as well. Next up, a very basic item, but something I realised that I needed before Christmas. I needed some more oven liners. I love oven liners. If you haven't used them, you need to use them. Pop them in the bottom of your oven. They're dirt cheap. Pop them in the bottom of your oven and it saves you a lot of hard work and scrubbing later down the line. Okay, so I'm really excited to show you these. I wanted some new prints for my living room, but everywhere I go, they are so, so expensive, and I knew exactly the style I was after. And then I saw these on Temu, and having already bought some prints off of Temu in the past, I knew these were gonna be good. So I already have the frames for these. So these are the prints that I picked up. You can probably see the sort of style that I'm going for. I'm gonna have them lengthways in my living room, but they actually come as a set of 3. So I got that one. Then I also got this one and this one as well, which I just think are absolutely stunning. They're in like the neutral and the blacks. I love this sort of decor and style of photos, canvases, you know, picture frames, things like that. So I think these are gonna look really, really lovely. So I'm now gonna have to badger my husband to put them in my frames and get them up on the wall for me. But again, like I said, in terms of pricing, I couldn't find anything anywhere else that matched these, and they come really, really well wrapped as well, so they're not gonna get damaged with like this little tubey thing inside them, and then protected really, really well. So yeah, really good purchase. So moving on to this one, which I know my dog is gonna be happy with. we picked up a new dog bed. So I'm not quite sure how soft this is going to be. So let's get it out. It's all like vacuum packed. Oh, but again, the pricing on Temu's page was just like, you couldn't beat it. Oh, she's gonna love this. So her other one is lovely, but it's really, really big. So I wanted to get her one for in the living room. Now this looks tiny, but we have a French Bulldog and she is tiny. Like she's like one of the smallest French Bulldogs I've ever seen. Oh my God, she's actually going to love this bed. So we're gonna keep this one in the living room for her. And then it feels like it's like a memory foam type material on the inside. And the colouring is so much nicer. Like it looks like a deeper brown on the website, but this is perfect. Like look at the match with my sofa. Okay, so moving back onto the law of attraction, positivity, manifesting and all things like that. I like, and this might sound a bit weird to some, but I like a lot of the tarot cards and kind of, I have a lot of positivity tarot cards upstairs and I also have like a lot of manifesting tarot cards, and I picked these ones up because I don't really have anything like this. So these are called Super Attractor cards, and if you like manifesting, if you believe in the law of attraction and gratitude, I think you're going to like these. So these are the cards here. There's a 52 card deck and there's 52 affirmations to help you start manifesting limitless abundance today. Being a super attractor means that what you believe is what you receive. This stunning deck of cards helps you connect to the universe and live in alignment with spirit so you can get in the flow of well-being and develop your own super attractor powers. There's also like a little thing with a guide on it as well, like a QR code. But I think we're going to open the cards now, give them a shuffle, and I'm going to read you one now. So you may or may not be into the law of attraction. Oh, I love these. What a pretty design. That's the design on the card. Let's give these a shuffle and see which one we pull out for today's video. So I'm going to go with this one. Oh, this is a good one. I can decide today to recalibrate my energy and commit to love and joy. I really, really like that one. So if you are feeling sad, if you're feeling glum, if you've had a bad start to your day when you're watching this video, then recalibrate your energy and commit to love and joy. And that's definitely something that I needed to work on this morning. So I feel like it's a very relevant card. The boys were stressing me out on the way to school. They didn't stop fighting in the car. And I was kind of a bit like, oh, I felt really down in the dumps about getting started with work, having stuff to do around the house. So I love that one. I think that's a really, really good one. And I'm really, really happy I pulled that card. I still have so many amazing bits to show you. But next up is a new phone case. I'm obsessed with this phone case. It is so pretty. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Love the shape of it. Love the design. It was really affordable. So I'm going to take this one off. Oh, look how pretty that is. I love that. It makes it look really big from the front, but I absolutely love that case. It feels a lot easier to hold as well. Oh, I'm obsessed. This case is stunning. Absolutely obsessed with that. But they do so many different types of phone cases on there. I don't know whether I ordered another one or not. But yeah, another phone case. Then next up, something a little bit more boring, but I bought myself another colander. But this one, I can push it out. I'm trying not to ruin my nails because they've been splitting. This one is a collapsible one. I always struggle for space and things like that. And sometimes I don't need a huge colander. And I thought this one is perfect. Also, sometimes I don't want the water to drain all the way through. And like mush stuff, like, you know, like when you're doing potatoes and stuff like that and you don't necessarily want them mushed on the side bit. So I like this one, and then literally once you're done with it, collapses down, super space saving. So yeah. Then I picked up some makeup products. It's these. I've seen them going around everywhere, but they are these little pads which essentially you can pop on your finger and like pat into the grooves, which I've wanted for ages. So I'm really intrigued to see how these stand up to some of the more branded ones. But you get 3 in a pack. Again, really, really cheap. Perfect for applying makeup. I'm sure you could do other stuff with them as well. But those. Okay. Okay, so this item is such a random item. Any guesses? Let me know in the comments box below if you can figure out what the hell this is. Because I don't think you're going to get it. I mean, it kind of looks like a hairbrush. Let me know what you think it is. So this is actually a tomato cutter. So I always find that when I'm cutting my tomatoes, obviously when you get to the end, it kind of gets in your way. And also my slices aren't very even. So this is going to give you the perfectly sliced tomato. I'm sure you could probably use it on other stuff like an orange, a lemon, a lime, you know, anything you cut in and slice in. But yeah, I thought this would be a great idea to try. So I'm really intrigued and gonna see how that pans out. So next up, I have a new iPad case. I needed a new one. I've got one at the moment and it's a little bit battered. So I picked up this whitey cream. It is more cream, to be fair. Cream iPad case. It's silicone, which I actually prefer this to my other one, I think. So it's silicone and it has a stand so you can, God, I'm the worst. There we go. You can stand it up and watch stuff on your iPad. So yeah, gonna get that one popped in, and I think that one with my new phone case is gonna go very nicely. Next up, I ordered these. Let's get these out. It's these oil dispenser jars. So you literally flip the top like that, dispense your oil. I think they're gonna look so pretty. I'm gonna decant my oil into them. You get 2 of them and you get the funnel to decant your oil as well. They are super stunning in this gold color, which I love. But it also comes with all of the stickers you need for so many different types of oil. So you can pop the label on the front of your oil. I think they're just gonna be stunning. You've got avocado oil, canola oil, extra virgin olive oil, sesame oil. And I'm tempted to say they might actually do things that aren't just oils, because this one says oils on the front, but there's loads of them. Yeah, I'm right. So they also do syrups. So if you use like caramel syrups in your coffees or anything like that, they've got the syrups. Worcestershire sauce. They've also got, what else have they got? More syrups, peppermint, vinegar, so red wine vinegar, cooking wine, soy sauce. They've got all of your labels for everything you could need. And again, these were really affordable. I thought they looked so lovely. They are glass, perfect for in the kitchen. I'm actually planning to do a lot of cleaning and organisational content on my channel over the next few weeks now that Hudson will finally be going to childcare. So keep an eye out for that, because so many of these bits are going to be popped into place. But the next thing that I picked up was this. You might be thinking, what the hell is that, Ellis? I have no clue. So this is, I don't know what you call them. Basically, it's an eye roller, an ice eye roller. And essentially, it opens up like that. So it opens up in 2 halves, but you keep it closed. You open the top and pop water in this bit here. It tells you where to fill it to. So it says maximum fill line here. You fill it up and then you pop it in the freezer. And then once you popped it in the freezer, you take it off. This will be filled with ice and you roll it on your eyes. And it's basically to help you with like those bad eye bags. If you have really heavy dark eyes in the morning when you've got no sleep, it's really meant to help refresh your eyes. So I'm really intrigued. I use a lot of like the quartz rollers and things like that. So I'm intrigued to try this one out too. Now, next up, we're going back to the kitchen, and this item is so random. It's a kitchen. It's a kitchen brush. So this is for the oven, and I thought this was so clever. So I don't know how well you can see that, but there's the tip there. And essentially, you can clean this on your grills. You can see that when I did this order, I'd not long been cleaning my oven and cleaning my kitchen for Christmas, because I placed this order before Christmas. But you essentially can use it to go around all of those wire racks. And I literally spend so much time, like so many of my nails have split from doing my oven, cleaning that and cleaning over Christmas. This is just gonna make my life so much easier. It cost hardly anything. Like I said, all the prices will be listed down below. But I think you can see it's really, really sturdy. So I think it's gonna do an amazing job at cleaning all of that stuff. And it actually has as well on the other end, like a little scraper as well. So what a multi-purpose tool that I think is gonna be so time saving. Well guys, that is everything for today's Temu haul. I hope you've enjoyed watching and seeing everything that I've picked up. I've loved sharing it all with you guys. Do let me know if there is anything else you want to see from me in the comments box below. And don't forget, you get that exclusive discount code with Temu as well, which I will leave on the screen and link down below. So do go over and check them out. But that is everything for me, and I will see you all again in another video very soon. Bye guys.